Right, so the oil don't change. Alright, so now we have to take off this. Alright, we disconnecting we might need to disconnect it completely. We taking out this line, we have to slacken this, and then take out this whole box. It have a screw there, a 10 there, and 1 there. Alright, so this cover was here. Alright, we unclip it, we take it off, we just turn it to the side. It had a jack here. We just press the locks from that jack, take it out. We take out the two screws, we take out that, we slacken this. Alright. Take out this piece here. Right, and just we get it. So we get the intake box out. Right, that's the reservoir for the fluid for the dual clutch. Right, the throttle body looking clean still from the last time we had cleaned it. So we go and use the i-DCD brake fluid tester here. Right. Set it for dot 4 and check it. Alright, so we set it for dot 4. Red mean danger. 3.3, so that means it's a 3.3% water in this one, so that had to change. So now we go into the first one again, and dot 4. And this one, 3.1. Right, so we go in and change the right, and just in case if you're wondering how to change the transmission fluid, right, if you watch here, you'll see this plug here, and a little thing there with a little hook, and this and this thing blocking it. And but that rusty looking thing there, that is it. So you just pull it out, right? And you see in the hole there. See now hole there. And this jack blocking it, but that is it, right? And you fold it up, put your long funnel, and you put back in your plug and you're good to go. Right, so we're using this brakes bleed kit here to pull a vacuum to suck out the brakes fluid from the clutch system. Right, and if we watch here, it will tell you use only genuine dot 4. Right, we don't want to use the dot 3 because the temperature, the dot 4 could withstand higher temperatures than the dot 3. So we want to go with the manufacturer specifications. Right, so now this working here, we put in the hose inside, right, and then we squeeze in the trigger, right, and you see the fluid sucking up there, right, but I need my both hands to handle it properly, but basically that is just right, right? Right, there's a 500 ml we get it for $50. Right, so now we can top up the reservoir for the dual clutch system, and we good to go. Top up, mount back up, and deliver the vehicle for the customer. Right, so we had already used the vacuum and suck out all the fluid on both of them. Right, we take one of them little microfiber cloth business and wipe it out as clean as we could get it. And now we go in and top it up. Right, so we pour in there now. Right, so that's one. Right, two. Right, so we good to go there. Right, so we top up. It's just to cover up these thing here. Right, but I go in and check back the fluid so we will see the water content on the new fluid. Right, so again we set for .4. There's the new fluid. We dip it in. And according to this, it's saying 1.3. 1.3. Right. Right, so we good with that.